Hi, in this video I will show you how to knit the foot and the toe. I will work my foot in stockinette stitch, but as with the leg, you can choose any other pattern you like. I will continue knitting until the sock is about 19 centimeters long. I have put down the foot length for other sizes in the video description below, but you can also find a lot of sock tables online with the different numbers for different sizes of socks. Before you knit the toe, make sure that your stitches are evenly distributed across the needles, starting from the beginning of the round. For the toe, we will decrease at the end of the first and third needle and at the beginning of the second and fourth needle. So knit until you get to the last 3 stitches of the first needle. Knit 2 stitches together and knit the last stitch. On the second needle, knit a stitch, then work an SSK decrease. Knit until you get to the last 3 stitches of the third needle. Knit 2 stitches together and knit the last stitch. On the fourth needle, knit a stitch, then work an SSK decrease. Knit the rest of the round. After this round, knit 2 rounds of knit stitches. To get a round shape, we will first decrease in every third round, then we will decrease in every second round, and lastly, we will decrease in every round. So first I will knit 2 rounds before I work another round of decreases. Then I will repeat those 3 rounds once. After that, I will knit 1 round before I work a round of decreases. I will repeat those 2 rounds 4 more times, and lastly, I will knit 6 rounds of decreases. In the end, only 8 stitches in total will remain. Here you can see the decreases. I will now show you the last round of decreases. I put the 4 remaining stitches for the top of the sock on one needle. That will make it easier for me to close the toe with the Kitchener stitch. To put the 4 remaining stitches for the bottom of the sock on one needle, I need to knit the first 2 stitches of the round with the last needle to finish the toe. In the next video, I will show you how to close the toe and sew in the ends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon!